Okay, so we have to start our servers. So first of all, let's run PHP artisan here. Okay, and the next one we will run npm1 watch. Okay, let's wait for this. Okay, let's come back here. Localhost 8000. Okay, and click on categories. So we have these things right. We are reading the categories and we can create a category. Let's try testing, and let's use this image here, and we will call this testing 1 2 3 for example. Let's click save. Okay, we are getting it, and to our database. Okay, so let's truncate this table here. So put operation and empty the table. Okay, and also let's delete everything from our directory. And these are the images. Delete these. Let's come back here. We have now nothing here. So let's add another one. Testing first, for example. Choose an image. So let's choose this. And okay, let's add another one. Second, choose an image. Choose this. Okay, and if you have noticed that when we are for example, the old category is added successfully, then if we click on create new, we are getting that name here. So we can just empty this object by going to our editor. Okay, and here we have resources, views, not views, sorry, JS services, not services, views. Okay, and then categories. So here, if we look here, we don't need this console here to make the code clean. And when we are creating a category, we are adding this to the table. We are also hiding the model, and we are giving a message to the user. So here we can also do one more thing, and it's this. So let's copy this. You can loop through the subject and empty all the things, but I will just paste it here like this. Dot category data equal to, and then these elements. Okay, and now let's come back here, reload. Now click on create new, and here I will paste type something like choose this, save. Okay, and now once we come here, we don't see anything here. Okay, so this is fine. Now we can create a category, and we are reading the categories. Now the next thing is to delete a category. So what we have to do, we have to come here and find that button, and it's here. We have to make an event like beyond click, and when someone click on this, we have to pass a category. Okay, so it's category, and we have to pass a category, and it's this one. Category. Okay, so now we have to make that method here, define that method, and delete category, and it will be async. Okay, function category. Okay, and here we can give a message to the user like if vendor.confirm, sorry, if vendor.confirm, are you sure you want to do, and okay, let's do this one. Category.name. Okay, so it will say that if you want, are you sure you want to delete and then the category name. Okay, and we will put, and we can just put not here, so if someone click on cancel then it will return from here. Okay, and if not then it will just report this thing like try catch, and we have to, okay, so aware category service delete category, and we can pass category id here, and this is fine in this method instead of category service. So here we need to define this, okay, delete category, and it will get the id and return http dot. Okay, let's first check the route list. So and here we will write php artisan route list. Okay, and what to delete a category, we have a delete method here. Okay, so let's copy this, let's come back here, and here we need to write delete and this thing. So here we need to pass the id, the one we are getting here from here. Okay, because we have complete object of category, we are passing to delete category from here. So and it's this one. Okay, so here we just need id, so we are passing only the id here because we will need only the id here. Okay, so this is fine, we got id, and we made this request, and this is fine I think. Let's save it and let's test this. Reload inside our network tab. We have to look here, we don't have anything, but we also need to go to our app, http controllers, category controller, and here we have to find it, just try method, and we will just type and category. Okay, so here once we click here, if we click cancel it will do nothing. If we click on OK, and we are getting category name here, you see, like if we click here it's just in this one. So when I click on OK, so from the server we are getting this, and this is fine, and then everything. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to delete this category. So category of delete, then we have to response JSON, return response JSON. Now there's a message, and it will say category deleted successfully. Also we can give status code 200, and here also 200, and else we can just copy this thing to here, good also, and this one should be 500, and some error occurred. Okay, so these status code are just the helpers. Okay, if for example someone can't get this, like for example we are making API for mobile application and the mobile developer cannot get this status code, this one, like an XES we are getting it easily. If you look here, we are getting it easily, okay. But if for example he cannot get this, then what he will do, he will just use this thing, okay. So these are just the helpers, we are working with these two, so we don't need these. This here, and also from here if you look, we don't need this category and our error, like our paired operation. So what we can do, we can just get a message, and we can, this is a store method, okay, creating operation. We can also put like some error occurred, and also the same way we can get status code. It should be, let's say 500, anything you can give, and this is fine. Okay, so now here we are now deleting the category, but we also need to delete the image from the table. Okay, so if you go here, inside our public, let's see, storage, app, public, category images, we have these three images, and we have to delete this when we delete the category. Okay, so what we can do, we can go to laravel.com, and we can click on documentation, and here we will search for storage or simple storage. Okay, this is fine. Just use the browser search, delete, and yes, to delete image we need this library. Let's come back here, and we have to use this, and after that we can delete a file using this. Here, if a category deleted successfully, then we also need to delete this file here, and we just need to pass category name, no sorry, category image, because if we look here, we have the complete path. Okay, like categories and then slash and then the image name and the laravel storage, know where he has from where he has to delete the file. Okay, so this is fine. Let's save it. Let's come here, reload. Okay, so let's clear this thing, and if I click on delete, okay, and yeah, category deleted successfully. This is the status code also. So what we have to do, uh, we are now deleting the category, and if we look to our this thing, we the image is already deleted, but, and also if you look here, like browse, we don't have that category anymore. So but from here we also need to delete this category. Okay, so what we can do, Now let's come to editor. Okay, and here and go to categories. From the categories, inside of try, we have to write a code like this dot categories. Okay, this dot categories. These things, this dot categories equal to this dot categories dot filter. Let me update, for example, try return update that id not equal to category. Okay, so what it will do, it will just filter the complete categories array, and it will match the object, the ID of that each category with this category ID. Okay, and it will return all but except that one which matches this category ID. So that's fine. And okay, let's reload. If I click here, delete. Okay, it's deleted from here, also from here, and the image is also deleted. Okay, this is fine. Now let's one more thing. Like in here, we need a message. So by default, we will display this one because we are not getting multiple messages, but just one. And we can get the message from here, like error dot response dot response data. Okay, and this will come from here. Okay, this one. Okay, this is fine. And yes, this page. But we also need to give a message to the user that category deleted successfully, for example. So we can just copy this, and here we can put it here. Let's subtract this thing. Let's category deleted successfully. Okay, this is fine. Create. So new test. Choose an image. Let's choose this. Save. Okay, saved successfully. Now once we click on delete, okay, it will delete it successfully. So we have completed some operations like creating, reading, and deleting. And in the next tutorial, we have to also work on edit operation. Okay, and after that, we have to also work on load more and also the search. So then our some basic operations will be completed, and after that also we have to start working on auth system using laravel passport. So thank you and see you in the next video.